Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the origin error message 65546:0. An unexpected error has occurred. Please try again in a few moments. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to close out of Origin and then restart it and see if that resolves the problem. Something else you want to take a look at as well, make sure your date and time settings are correct down in your system tray. If they are not, right click on it and select adjust date and time. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath additional settings and select the sync now button and give it a moment here. And then once you have a check mark, close out of here. And then hopefully, like I said, it should have been able to resolve the problem for you guys at that point. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.